Handyman heard me call him not so handy. Nothing at all.
Oh, call me unhandy one more time.
Click, 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 click. Like, nothing.
Oh!
What the heck? Welcome back, guys, to video 3 of my Pirate Cove Patio project. Woo! Okay, so last video I showed you guys the curtains going up, a little bit of an install, but also a little bit of the imperfections that came with using stuff from my house. One of them being my curtains are uneven and they float. They look like little floods, but that's okay. So we're gonna work with that, and then also like it's just a little busy up top. So I'm gonna keep moving forward and see if my mind will come up with some sort of solution to that, or if by the time I'm done decorating, doing everything, that my eyes aren't gonna pay attention to the high waters that are happening down below. So this video, I'm gonna work on putting some twinkle lights up around the perimeter, but the problem is it's stucco, meaning I can't just put push pins in, so I'm gonna try to use tape. And so we're gonna see how that turns out, because it's outdoor stucco and tape does not always adhere to that type of material, or if it does, it'll only be for a limited amount of time. I did use tape inside and push pins like crazy for my birthday party to get everything hanging, and so I only have so much of that left. And also I don't want that showing up, like that's gonna ruin part of the magic, you know? So if I can get the tape to stay, hold the twinkle lights, that'll be great, because I am gonna need some of my budget to go towards actual things that are gonna stick to stucco for my hanging light fixtures that I'm going to make in the future. So let's begin. Oh wait, before we begin, I gotta change. Bing! Much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my supplies. I'm gonna do a little sample piece of how this tape works. Okay, time to change of plans. So I was on the ladder, going back and forth because I have so many light strings to work with here. And I was like, no, I'm not trying to move the ladder back and forth. Should have thought this through, taking my own advice. I'm gonna measure from here to here, back and forth, so I can just group the lights up there and hang them all at once. Ding, hello. So, change of plans for that, but hey, this is what happens when you're doing projects. You need to be adaptable and expect the unexpected, and also just, you know, kind of go with the flow. Everything's gonna work out fine. After I put the lights up, you can't see, blah, 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 blah. I go to plug them in. Oh, there goes the rest of my overalls. Oopsies. And nothing. They don't work. I have my remote. Click, 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 click. Nothing. So I don't know what to do. I gotta call in my handyman, who's, no offense, not as handy, but he's gonna try to help me. Handyman heard me call him not so handy.
Who's, no offense, not as handy.
Call me unhandy one more time.
And I didn't mean that he wasn't handy, it just meant he couldn't read the brackets down there. Brackets. Breakers.
Whoever wrote on there has terrible handwriting.
Yes. So we're gonna go take a look together and see if I can decipher what it says and if that's the problem. Yeah, I have no idea what this is saying. I mean, I know what the majority of it's saying, but what is that? I don't know. I don't know, guys. Excuse the glistening that's taking place here. Okay, we're down here together. We're able to decipher some of this writing here, and that clicked in our minds and reminded us that the wall shared with the balcony, with the outlet, is the washer room. So we're going to see if, you know, the electricity in that room is working okay. We do have a light bulb that went out, so we're gonna see if our fan works in there to determine if there's anything wrong there, because On here, everything looks to be set how it should be, but there's still no electricity coming through. So hopefully we can figure out what's going on, or else we'll have to go talk to somebody else. Okay, we're back here. So remember, phone's cracked, selfie mode. He's excited, handsome helper, go. So we're here, we're gonna test out this light here. Okay, cool, this light works in this area.
That works.
Okay. Oh!
That works.
What about the fan?
Yeah. So our theory's not working so far. We'll try to light outside.
Oh, okay, yeah, let's do that. Well, I actually already did.
yeah, actually
I
told me to
did try that.
My bad.
But you know what?
Let's just try to plug it in.
Okay, we're gonna try to plug it in, and then we're gonna try to plug in my phone first to see. Maybe I just can't see the lights because it's too bright. Okay, we're gonna test this theory out. We're going to plug it in. Nothing at all. Oh,
Oh!
what
Your
the heck?
phone's charging.
It's charging. Okay. What?
Oh, turned off.
Oh, do you think it's... Oh, no, it's... I have the... You guys, I have no idea what happened. Like, look, you saw me try and it didn't do anything. Oh my gosh. This is why it's also good to have a second set of eyes. Like,
Handy helper.
handy help.
Call me unhandy one more time.
Who's, no offense, not as handy.
I will not. All right, are you ready for the mini reveal? And it's tiny. I like it. I like it a lot. I can change the mode to do a thing. Do that. Thank you. Thank you. I'm very excited. Just
Well done.
thank you for your help. Thank you. Just little touches like that that'll make this fun when it's nighttime. Okay, so this is with the curtains open, and whoopa, look at that darkness. Look at that darkness. Wow. Look at that. It's crazy. And I think this makes for a better reveal of the lights. Don't you think? I'm gonna save the rest for the complete reveal. So this is a little sneak peek. This is all you get.